spacecraft swept past the moon. The images show a landscape that is clearly still being shaped. Where have we heard that before? We heard that about Venus. Although Titan must have suffered numerous meteor impacts in the past, its surface today is largely crater-free. Once again, just like Venus. Somehow these scars must have been eroded or filled in. There's that operative word, somehow. We are seeing a place that is alive, geologically speaking, says Charles Ilaki. Well, this is what they said about Venus. It must have overturned the entire surface recently. That's precisely what was said about Venus when the Magellan orbiter revealed that planet's surface. It is only supposition that Titan's surface is still being shaped. It is based on the belief that Titan must have suffered numerous meteor impacts in the past, and therefore something must have occurred from within the moon to fill the craters. However, like Venus, there may have been no impact craters to fill. Some initial comments by Cassini team members accompanying this picture, in that little insert there, of Titan from the descending Huygens probe reflected on the Venus-like appearance of features on Titan. Now, I'd predicted these before the event. These remind me of what we have observed in the past on Venus. This is a quote. Another quote. We now have the key to understanding what shapes Titan's landscape, said Dr. Martin Tomasco, principal investigator for the descent imager. He added, geological evidence for precipitation, erosion, mechanical abrasion and other fluvial activity says that the physical processes shaping Titan are much the same as those shaping Earth. Oh yeah. But non-polar liquid methane is not like liquid water, as Jerry Pollack would tell anyone. In the atmosphere, such molecules form smog, not heavy raindrops. This demonstrates the problem of interpreting evidence when your thinking is limited to flowing liquids to carved channels. The channels on Titan bear the hallmarks of lightning imprinted on the surface. As I've done there, I've inverted the black and white and turned it up the other way to make it look more like lightning. The channels on Titan bear the hallmarks of lightning imprinted on the surface. And the lack of a methane ocean was predicted because Titan's atmosphere is not yet in equilibrium after recent events. So a vast reservoir of methane is not needed to make good the losses expected over the 4.7 billion years required by the Solar Nebula model, because the expectation was that the Huygens lander, the Huygens probe, would go through the clouds, they'd photograph it on the way down, and then it would plop into a methane or ethane ocean. They never found it. Titan's enigmatic atmosphere. Titan's atmosphere is believed by many scientists to be similar to Earth's early atmosphere, billions of years ago. This is the usual story. We're out there to try and show how the Earth was born. Toby Owens, principal scientist at JPL, said, "What we've got is a very primitive atmosphere that has been preserved for 4.6 billion years. Titan gives us a chance for cosmic time